vibe. Sportivo, baby. I got you though. Guys, welcome to the channel. Benvenuti. If you don't know me, my name's Andy Altig. That's A-L-T-I-D.
Other way.
Oh, I did it the wrong way?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot. I always do it the wrong way, but I like it. A-L-T-I-G, because I'm a G, baby. Hey. We're here in the beautiful Hana. Hawaii is literally content overload, even when it's raining, guys, and there's been a lot of rain. Like every single day that we've been here, it's just been raining and cold and raining and cold. But guys, this trip has already started off to be a bella roba di bono. If you haven't smashed the subscribe button and joined La Familia, are you okay? Do you need some help?
Get some help.
And guys, don't forget, April 9th, I'm gonna fly one of you guys out to Seattle to come hang out with Hyundai, and I'm gonna cook for you. We're gonna go have a fun time. Let's give you guys a quick little schlup date. Yesterday we did a review of the Numbers song.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
But Hawaii is so much fun! And guys, there's so many fans out here. Hawaii is so much fun in the rain! Singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling! I'm happy again. Hey. Guys, today is gonna be a bella roba di bono, even though it's raining, baby. I always have fun. I'm from Seattle, so, you know, rain ain't no thing. You know, we got the raincoat, we got the rain jacket. Let the journey begin, but before it begins, we gotta come to Brother Huts to get the best barbecue in all of Hawaii, people. It's the best. All right, come on with the brother. So Chef Andy, you know, we're always cooking. We got a Sportivamente. He's gonna teach me how to do the traditional Hawaiian barbecue, guys. A lot of secrets in this kitchen.
The main ingredients is love. That's it.
Cuore, amore, agabito.
And then you flip them. Like flip them like this. Right in the fire.
Oh, wow. Wow. How long have you guys been in business?
About 6 o'clock this morning.
Oh. No, really, how long?
About 15 to 17 years.
Wow. Come on. You guys gotta try them out, guys. Best barbecue in the whole state of Hawaii. Working out of the truck. Come on, let's go. Brother Huts. Mamma mia, that was so good. But now, guys, it's really time to start the journey. Ma. I think it's working. They're all coming. That's called my dying cow. Journey is about to begin. We are right here, where you are here. All the way up, hike. People White Stream to Wai. Guys, this is where the princesses used to bathe. Not here, right in the parking lot, but it's called the Seven Sacred Pool. And then we're gonna go up through the bamboo forest to the waterfall. And Philip has some white vans that are probably gonna turn brown. All right, guys, but there's a lot of tourists out here, folks, so let's go have some fun. Excuse me, have you guys seen my family? They're wearing just like you guys, just the blue. Blue?
There's a lot.
A lot of blue people?
Yes.
Okay.
And how old are they?
They're like, you know, probably like, no, they're like, no, you guys are really young. They're probably like in their 80s.
Oh, yeah, I saw it.
Yeah, okay.
Yes,
Thank you. Guys, there's fans everywhere, even in the jungle. Santa Maria, Madre de Dios. How you guys doing? You guys subscribe? Oh, yeah, right here.
To my channel. No, they said they were subscribed to my channel. Both.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Neutral state right here. I like it. Yeah, let's get a picture for the Instagram
Yeah,
for sure. Tag me at Andy Altig and Kate Spicer.
No, it's just Cade now.
Oh.
I worked really hard to get it 4 letters.
Perfect. All right.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Warning, lots of tourists on these trails. If you see a blue poncho, please shut
Andy, I don't think that's what it's saying.
It's definitely saying that, Philip. I don't know about you. Can you read? Alright, so my family is way up on the trail. They took off because we're vlogging, and you know.
Vloggers are slow.
It takes time, baby. So we'll keep them in. So Cade and I, we're on a mission. We're gonna go find them. They're wearing a blue poncho, so
they'll blend right in.
yeah.
Great.
There's a lot of big waterfalls out here.
A lot of big waterfalls. There's also one small waterfall.
They're wearing blue ponchos just like you guys. Have you seen them anywhere? Everywhere. Right. Guys, look at this tree. It's amazing. I feel like a monkey in this forest. Forest.
I left her in the bamboo.
Ow! Something in my shoe. Seriously downpouring right now. It's okay. Everybody's all the time here. And here is a rare species of the yellow poncho.
Yes.
I'm looking for my family. They're all in blue ponchos. Have you guys seen them?
No blue poncho.
Moments later.
My family! Mom! I found them! You guys look great in your ponchos. Are you dry? Alright, well, I'm gonna go check out the waterfall.
Okay, see you later. Ciao.
I give you the secret waterfall. It's crazy, but there's a sign that we couldn't pass, so we're not going to go any further. It looks pretty dangerous up there. My camera's getting super wet. Baby, let's go! Well, that was a rainy time out there, but it's my brother Richie's birthday, so I think we gotta get him a birthday gift. Maybe some aloe. Oh, actually, it hasn't really been that sunny out here. Oh, maybe some tanning oil. Caution tape, because it's gonna be a rager night. A cabbage, because it brings a good luck, baby. No, I think we need the machete. The machete up there? The blue one? The yellow one? Is that a good one?
That's alright.
We can't get alright. I mean, we need something that's
Okay, so
be a beast.
well, let me go get it so you can play with it and see if you like it.
Play with it? Like, you guys play with machetes?
Yes, I
And
forgot.
that's so sportivo.
You're cutting.
The zombie slasher, that's the good one though? I like that. You like the zombie slasher? What do you like?
I like the deer. Because I like the feel of it on my head.
Who's the one that you like?
I don't see any It's a D handle ring.
What's that?
And even that.
Can I see that wooden one again? If you're gonna buy a machete, which one would you get?
Oh my goodness. Man, that's a good choice. There's a lot. There are lots. Kind of like that. I like that ergonomic one, the 22-inch high tempered. I'm looking at.
Oh!
But I kind of that machete axe. I think I might just go for
that is
that
pretty
fish scar.
If you were gonna have if there was a zombie apocalypse, which one? You'd go with the zombie axe?
Definitely machete axe for a zombie apocalypse.
Yeah, yeah.
No doubt. Or you could also buy the zombie slasher.
Or the Tectonic sword.
Yeah.
A sword in
There's
the
a lot
zombie
of options.
apocalypse would be really
I think machete axe is where it's at. That one looks like it can deliver a lot of pain.
Yeah.
At this point, I realized that these people know way too much about machetes, and I need to get the hell out of this store. That's your normal machete talk here. Going with the zombie slasher. My personal favorite.
165 altogether.
Woo! Breaking the bank, Richie. Like a good old zombie slasher.
Have fun, gents. See ya.
Thank you.
You guys need a zombie slasher.
We'll go find you.
Alright. Alright, now let's go give this to Richie. Alright, so we made it here. It's Richie's birthday. We won't disclose his age. But our Hawaiian friends, Mr. Brother Leadin here. Brother Gabe. Leadin, what you got a special present or something?
Oh yeah. Special present for Richie right there. Alright, so Leadin told me not to open this till after dinner, but happy birthday, bruh. Bruh. What is this?
Alright, we got the zombie killer. Let's go get it. Alright, Richie, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Put out your hands.
Alright.
This is to ward off all the old girlfriend.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my
What is
God.
it? It's a zombie slasher. Zoom in on that thing.
Well, today was a rainy day, but that is the vlog, guys. Thank you for watching. If you haven't smashed the subscribe button and join La Familia, baby, smash the subscribe button and join La Familia. I think 460. What are we at, Phil?
It's 462, man.
Yeah, 462,000 people. Thank you, Philip. Contest April 9th is gonna go down. I'm gonna fly one of you guys out, so make sure to turn on the post notifications. Make sure that you're subscribed and comment down below. I love each and every one of you, and I will see you, Domani.